It's a good idea to give your hearing aid a general wipe over every day. So this is a special hearing aid wipe. You shouldn't use household wipes on hearing aids, as we don't know what the composition is and the chemicals might damage the hearing aid. But these wipes are suitable for cleaning both the hearing aids and also the dome at the end. If you have general wax and things on the dome, you can use perhaps something like a brush to clean it over, and then at the end, if you want to, you can use one of the microfiber cloths, which are very good at just drying off the aid. Now, it's possible that you might need to replace the dome. Replacing the dome is ever so easy. So in order to replace the dome, simply take hold of the dome and pull it off. Inside there's a wax guard. We don't need to change that today. And over here I've got a replacement dome. Locate the hole in the middle, push it on. There you are. How to replace a dome.